This is the truth about ChatGPT that no one's actually telling you. A lot of videos out there are saying that ChatGPT can help you with articles, and that's absolutely true. It can help you write articles, it can help you list out things, give you recipes, ingredients, and things like that. But there is one thing it cannot do, and I'll show it to you right now. I opened up ChatGPT and I asked it one question, and you can see here what are the trending topics for January 2023 that will help my article to get thousands of views on Google. Now, you would think that it could do that, right? It says, I'm sorry, but I am unable to predict future trends. My training data only goes up until 2021. And I'm not able to browse the web or access current information. However, there are a few general strategies you can use to make your article more likely to be successful. So you write about, and then it goes on to list four topics here or four sort of ideas. Write about a topic that is currently relevant and timely. Use keywords in your article title and throughout the text. Now, this is helpful. I'm not saying it's not helpful. It is helpful. It's helpful in allowing you to research, write the article, and perhaps use another program for SEO and how to promote it and things like that. But it cannot predict trends. So when you go to ChatGPT, you can put in things like write me an article about climate change and things like that. But again, you see what it says here, you must realize my training data only goes up until 2021. So, and I'm not able to browse the web or access current information. So now I'm wondering if you ask a question about, let's say, at the rate at which we're going, how does climate change affect us? Now, from what it says here, I would assume it would go back to the previous data it had and then, give a sort of prediction. But what about things that we are doing right now? So the question remains. So the question that comes up is, what about the things that people are doing right now to mitigate climate change and things like that? So how is that going to affect? So let me just ask this question, okay? Um, what what is the future of the efforts we have put in for climate change in 2023 going forwards? See, again, it says it is difficult to predict the exact trajectory of climate change efforts in the future. But again, if you see this, it is quite general. So you must realize that when you write these articles, you need to do your own research. It says it is clear that addressing climate change will require sustained and collective efforts on a global scale. This is all very general. It doesn't say anything about the future of climate change in 2023 going forwards. And it says a very general statement like it is difficult to predict the exact trajectory. Yes, it's true. It is difficult to predict the exact trajectory, but it is not um, addressing what I have asked actually. So please keep that in mind when you do your articles. Do not assume that when you are asking it a question that it is based on answers that are current. It is not. I mean, based on what this AI is writing, is telling me, it is not current. So what do you think? Do you think it is something, if it is a general article, but most articles that we put out right now in blog posts and even on YouTube has to be very current. It cannot be something that is based on information that we have in the past. I mean, if you ask even a biography, let's say for example, Elon Musk. Of course, it's going to give you a biography on Elon Musk, but is it going to give you based on the current information? Let's ask this: what has Elon Musk acquired Twitter? As far as I'm aware, Elon Musk has not acquired Twitter, and we know that he has. He did acquire Twitter. So be very careful on the topics that you ask this artificial intelligence. Now, it's brilliant. Don't get me wrong, it's brilliant. If you want to do a very general topic, or how something started and where you think the future will lie for it, up to about 2021, sort of a general sort of thing like climate change. If it's something that's quite general, like it says, like here as well, however, it is clear that addressing climate change will require sustainable. If it's topics like this, then sure, fine. But if you want to do something up to the minute, I don't think this is going to provide you the correct information. So be very careful. You can use it as a baseline, but you still need to do your research. You still need to go up there and go through whatever search engines that you are going through. Like for example, even if you put what is the thumbnail requirements for YouTube videos in 2023. You see, the thumbnail requirements for YouTube videos in 2023 are likely to be similar to the current requirements. And current requirements are, let's ask it. Okay, so it's giving us a list right now, and that's fine. But we know that the requirements for thumbnails are most likely going to change, and that's not going to be as important from the latest YouTube videos that I'm getting. So I'm gonna so I'm going to go up and ask, is this likely to be similar to the current requirements? So one thing good about this AI is you can go and ask it something and it will reference what you've just wrote. You don't have to write the whole thing again and then continue to ask, add on the questions that you want. So I can say, what do you mean by current requirements? Is it 2023 requirements? See, I apologize for the confusion. As an AI language model, I'm not able to access current information or browse the web. My knowledge is based on the data that was used to train me, which only goes up to 2021. Therefore, I cannot provide information about requirements in 2023. See, in general, it is important to keep an eye. So, again, do not rely on ChatGPT. I know it's blowing up everywhere and everyone's saying, oh, you can use it for all sorts of things. Yes, yes, you can use it, but not for current information as explained to me by AI itself. So I hope this helps. So please do comment and tell me what you think of it. Okay? All right. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.